Today we use A4 paper to fold this paper airplane. First, make a half fold. And then open it up. Align the top edge with the bottom edge and press lightly in the middle to make a mark. And then take the edge again and align the top edge with the mark and press slightly. Okay, now we can see two marks. And then fold the top edge to the second mark. Take the corner and fold to the center crease and leave a small gap. And then for the other side. Open them up. Take this corner and fold this edge to the crease just made. Fold the other side. Okay, we should get it like this. Fold all the layers to the center crease. And the other side. Flatten it. Now we will find a point then about 3 or 5 from the top point, and then fold along the line connecting the point with the corner. It's not very accurate. 3 or 5 centimeters all are okay. From here to this corner. And fold the triangle inside. And do the same things on the other side. And fold the inside triangle. Okay, flip it over and it should be like this. And then we will take the nose and press the thickness part, and then use another hand to press it down just like this, and slowly we fold like this. Okay, after that we will take one ring and fold along the edge. Flip it over and fold the other side. Next, we will find a point leaving about 2 centimeters from the edge and fold along the line connecting the point with the corner. press it. Open it up and then we can see the point and fold it like this. We will fold from the edge about 1 centimeter. And the other side. Adjust it. Adjust them. Now we finished the nice and easy to fold plane. Thank you. See you next time.